Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the Swadhyaya and Pravachana. As part of the Bharatiya Shilpa Shastram, introduction to Bharatiya Shilpa Shastram, today we will specifically discuss on the Chaturvimshati Keshava Namani, 24 forms of Sri Keshava, Vishnu or Sri Krishna. Specifically today, we will describe Sri Govinda, the fourth form of the Chaturvimshati Keshava Namani, 24 forms. The fourth form is Govinda, Sri Govinda. Sri Govinda Murti looks like the sculpture or the form or Murti shown in the slide at the right side. The Dhyana Sloka or the meditative verse for the purposes of the Antaryaga or Bahiryaga, for the purposes of installing idol in the either in the temple or other places outside, or to meditate the murti for upasana or other purposes, antaryaga purposes, that can be in the heart center or the center of the eyebrows. You can meditate this for the purpose. There, these all jhana slokas are mentioned in the ancient scriptures of the Shilpa Shastra. So this jhana sloka as follows: Govinda Shashivarna Syat Padma Shanka Gadari Bhrit Raktaravindanayanaha Tapta Kanchana Bhushanaha. Govindaha. The Murti's name is Govinda. The Govinda name has a lot of significance. The Govinda, it is mentioned in the ancient scriptures that Govinda is a name came to Sri Krishna since he lifted the Govardhana Parvatam, Govardhana Giri, the Govardhana hill, for 7 continuous nights and days to protect the people of Vrindavan. People includes children, cattle, cows, cattle, the old men, old women, and the gopikas, every creature in Govardhana, in the Vrindavan is protected by Sri Krishna for 7 continuous days and nights from the storm created by Indra. That's why everybody praised him, including Indra, as Govinda, protector. It didn't come as easy. He got that name. So this Govinda Murti, that is the significance of the name. And Sri Govinda Murti, about Murti, we'll more stress on the Murti. The Jhana Sloka says Govinda, his name is Govinda. That is the first Padam. And Shashivarna Syat, his Varnam is Shashi. Shashi is Svetavarna, full moon in Sharadratu. It is not a yellowish moon, full moon, but it is pure white, milky white with lot of radiance, lot of shining, pure white. Svetavarna, full moon. That is Shashi is moon, full moon in Sharadratu. That is the color. So vibrant, so pure full moon color. Shashivarana Syat Padma Shankha Gadaribhrit. Again, he has four hands, Chaturbhuja Rupam. There is a significance of this 24 Murtis. There is a mathematical significance because the 24 forms will hold Chakram, Gada, Padma, Shankha. only these four, but the combinations will be different for 24. In mathematics, the 4 factorial the combination are nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24 forms. Like that, these 24 forms were created. And also there are a lot of relation between the forms if they are holding the particular object in the same hand or two objects in the two same similar hands. If you are meditating this as per the scriptures, if you there is some cryptic meaning for the samshas, for the smurtis, and mathematical significance is already the factorial. The combinations were mentioned here, and that's the reason we have 24 forms of Sri Vishnu. So this 4 Chaturbhuja has the following objects: chakram in the bottom right hand, and gada in the top right hand, that is Dakshina Parahasta, and Dakshina Vamahasta is holding Padmam or lotus, and the bottom left hand. I'm sorry, the Vama Parahasta is holding lotus. Vama Parahasta is holding lotus. Top left hand is holding lotus, and the bottom left hand holding the conch, Shankham. This is the Chaturbujas of Govinda. And next verse says, Raktaravinda Nayanaha. Rakta Aravinda Nayanaha, that is red lotus. I mentioned the red lotus picture in this slide itself. That red lotus looks like, as mentioned in that picture, as reddish as that Aravinda, Raktaravinda Nayanaha. His eyes are similar to the petals of Raktaravindam, Raktaravinda lotus. So Raktaravinda Nayanaha, Taptakanchana Bhushanaha. He is wearing different ornaments. They're melting gold, pure gold, shining gold, melting. If you see a melting river of gold, how it looks, that colored ornaments he is wearing in his white Shashikvaranaha. Padma Shankha Gadarivrit. This is the Jhana Sloka of Sri Govinda Murti. Om Govindaya Namaha. With this, I am concluding this Svadhyaya described Sri Govinda Murti, and I am dedicating this Svadhyaya and Pravachana video to the lotus feet of Sri Bhagavan Venkateshwara of Tirumala and to the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. I am praying Lord Venkateshwara to bestow his peace on the earth, timely rains, and water and food for all the humankind and other creatures. For this purpose, I am dedicating this Svadhyaya and Pravachana video to the lotus feet of Sri Bhagavan Venkateshwara of Tirumala. With this, I am concluding the Swadhyaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Swasti.